memories creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet.
Good morning, guys. Okay, that was actually just an act. I've been up for almost 2 hours now. So you guys, today is Tuesday the 16th of March, and guess what, it's my birthday week. So okay, before I continue this intro, please, I need to wear my birthday crown. Okay, this is it. I got it yesterday. Ta-da! Make way for the birthday girl. Polish my shoes. Pamper me. I want to have a royal bath, like in Coming to America. Speaking of which, I actually saw the Coming to America part 2 a few days ago. You guys, I loved it. I don't know what reviews people are giving. I haven't watched any review on it, but I loved it. I was screaming half the time, especially when I saw the video. I was like, oh my god, that's the video. Everybody was looking at me like, what's wrong with this one? I was jumping. Oh my god, that's the video. Oh my god. I was so excited. Like, I love Coming to America. If you love part 1, you love part 2. But of course, don't just watch it with an open mind. Don't go and be comparing both of them, because you will never be satisfied. I mean, just watch it with an open mind and you love it, if you're like me then. Anyway, so you guys, it's my birthday week. A birthday! I'm getting older. Oh my god. It's my birthday week. My birthday is on Saturday. Today is actually Tuesday the 16th. My birthday is on Saturday the 20th. I'm going to be a year older, wiser, richer, more fabulous.
Oh, so fabulous.
I'm so excited. Oh god. So actually, why I'm excited today is that I'm actually going to be doing my birthday photo shoot today. You guys, I cannot show you the rest of the room because the rest of the room is a mess. My clothes, my jewelry, my makeup just scattered. Like, I have my boxes packed already with my outfits. I have a total of 3 outfits, and you guys are gonna love them. Now, I've been preparing for this birthday shoot for over a year. Now let me explain. Even the clothes that I'm wearing and everything are clothes that I was making for last year's birthday photo shoot. Last year was supposed to be a milestone for me, but you guys know what happened. I lost my dad on 13th. I was supposed to do my birthday shoot on 15th in preparation for my birthday on 20th. So once, you know, I lost my dad, of course, every plan for birthday and birthday photo shoot was automatically scrapped. I actually left the clothes over there with the stylist. Like, I didn't go and pick them up. I'm like, just hold it, next year I'll come. And then, so this year, when my birthday was fast approaching, I went to her. I actually made 2 outfits for last year, but this year I made an extra one. She convinced me. You guys are gonna love them. Oh, you guys are gonna love them. By the time I went back to the tailor, I had already dropped like almost 2 dress sizes. Yeah, I think I need to make a video about how I lost weight, because a lot of people have been asking me. I've lost some weight. I used to be a size 12. Now I'm even a bit lesser than a size 10, and there's a secret to that, and believe me, it didn't involve workout or any crazy diet or whatever. So if you guys are interested, please let me know in the comment section and I will make that video. So when I went back to her for fitting, she was like, what happened? Where's all your flesh? Where did all the meat go? What happened? So she basically had to like really downsize a lot of the clothes. She had to slim down a lot of the clothes. She had to really adjust it to fit my new fabulous toned but sexy body, need I add.
I'm sexy.
Anyway, so you guys, it's about past 7 right now. My studio session is for 12, so my plan is to do my makeup over here because I'm paying for studio time and I ain't got no time to go there and be doing makeup. So I want to do my makeup here, so when I get there I'll just change outfits and change hairstyle. I'm so excited. My cousin is over here to help me. You guys are going to see her later on in the video. And yes, I forgot to actually welcome you guys officially to the channel. Welcome back if you're an old subscriber, and if you are new, you're welcome. Please subscribe. So let's just get right into the actual video. You guys are going to be spending the day with me. So guys, so I'm actually set. I am so late. I don't know, I am a typical late comer. It was the makeup. Actually, I even was making like TikTok videos as I was doing my makeup. So it's actually like 11:45 right now. My boat ride is here. My cousin is the one holding the camera. You guys will get to meet her while we're on the ride. You guys, I am late. Okay, I just hope there's not a lot of traffic. In the meantime, how do I look? Her royal gorgeousness. Do you guys like my outfit? And my makeup as well. I'm late. Oh, I need to show you guys my nails. Okay, I have to go. See you guys. We're actually on our way now. Say hi to CJ. CJ, say hi to my YouTube fam.
Hello.
So you guys, this is my little cousin. She's taller than me. I think I've started my face. I'm very short. Okay, what do you think about today?
I'm really happy. I don't like this week is something close to honeymoon.
This girl is more excited about my birthday than I am. I don't even understand.
Auntie Kanda is our birthday today, as in it's our birthday. Stop laughing, Auntie. I'm serious.
Okay.
This is our birthday, like I said before. It's going to be boom.
Boom.
Like when I mean boom.
She's fussing about me. Thank you. You're such a darling. You guys see my luggage, yo. Is a Okpo. Like I have like 3 bags, 2 big polythene bags again on top of that. It's like I pack. Fuck, I don't just know. This is not. It can't be like saying now pre-wedding shoot that they go to. My paparazzi is too much.
It's supposed to be too. Until his birthday now, 2 years old again.
So you guys, I'm actually really late. I was supposed to be there by 12. It's actually already 12 and I'm still on the way. So I'll let you guys know when I get there. My photographer has called me. I'm going to call him back and beg again because I'm late. He was just laughing when he called me and I was still home when it was almost 12. I have a problem. Anyway, I hope you guys like what I'm wearing. I'm feeling like a slim. Look at my flat tummy. Slay them. They are father. How do you guys like this?
They are real dad.
Their daddy's daddy, you know?
They are real dad.
They're daddy. See you guys when we get there.
Oh dear, we are in trouble. 1 hour later.
Guys, I have arrived. We have arrived. Yeah, excuse me, the vlog. Are you mad? This girl. And
Okay, but you say you go use see me now.
that's my photographer. He kept me waiting by the way. Okay, I kept you waiting first. Okay, so we're going to be going in and we'll start the shoot soon. So guys, I'm already in the studio right now. I'm in the changing room. You can come inside. So I already got here before, so this is my boss. It's for YouTube.
You want to
It's
do
YouTube now.
Inside you make me vlog.
Okay, so these are my outfits. Like I'm starting with this one. You guys, let me just wear and you guys will see, okay?
Baby, what's up? Baby, what's up? Baby, what's up? You know you don't reach your bus stop. Baby, what's up? Baby, what's up?
So guys, this is my second outfit. What do you guys think? I'm ready.
You know, make me go low. Arriba, 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 arriba. I bet you wanna. Baby, what's up? You know you don't reach your bus stop. Baby, what's up? Baby, what's up? Don't get too sucked up. Bend them in the.
Oh, beautiful. Come show up. before, they know me for before. Oh yeah, let me show one more time. So we don't have option.
So guys, we're actually done. It's about past 5 p.m. right now, and I'm riding with Jeremy. So he's dropping us off, and it was nice, you guys. I got to actually select the pictures. It was difficult selecting, you know when you have like how many pictures, like 100 pictures, and you have to select 15. Just imagine. So of course I ended up selecting more than 15, and I'm looking forward to my birthday. If anything eventful happens, I may vlog my birthday, but if not, this is what you guys get. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Which of the outfits is your favorite? Wish me a happy birthday in the comments, and please say a prayer for me. And if you are an old subscriber, don't forget to, okay, they're actually cleaning our. So you guys, I have to say goodbye here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give the video a thumbs up and share. It always helps my channel whenever you guys share. And I'll see you guys in my next video.